Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day. 5:33, 3:12 at the car wash. Whoa, 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 whoa. Talking about the car wash, girl. I'ma try to knock some paint off of these wheels. The rest of the paint as best I can, and I'ma clean the passenger side floor mat to see how much cleaner that comes. I got it over here. Then I'm going to try to paint 2 of these wheels today. Maybe I could get 2 done today before it gets too hot. So let's get cracking. 6 quarters, 3.5 minutes. Let's get with it. $2 later, 5.5 minutes of washing. Maybe 4.5 really. Very little paint came off with that high pressure water. Some did. Some of this paint's on here pretty tough. So I'm gonna hit it with the wire wheel, dust it off, and go ahead and paint them. Not show wheels, but man, they don't need to look that bad. As soon as I find the paint. Also, I hit this and man, that yellow popped a little more. These mats are very good quality, thick ply. So I'm gonna put these out to dry. I think this one is clean now. A lot of dirt still came out of it. Sprayed them down and rinsed them off a couple days ago. And they did dry pretty good, but they were still dirty. I think high pressure water is the best thing to do to clean these mats because you get in those plies better. And get that deep dirt in there, and it had a couple of stains as well, and I think the stains came out with the high pressure water. I hit it with soap, then I came back and rinsed it. Very little dirt's coming out of them now. Let me get back and brush these, or brush this mat, let it dry, see how it compares to the others, and see if I can get some paint on these wheels. But I'll have to find the paint. I don't even know where I laid the paint at. I guess I'm going to try a wheel. They say the humidity needs to be 60% or less. Man, we're down to about a 74% humidity. And they say that the temperature needs to be under 95. We're 87 and climbing. So I may have a short window where I can paint these wheels. I might find some plastic, like a plastic trash bag, to put around the tire area and take a wheel off and see how it goes painting. So let me get a wheel off and wire wheel it down. And I don't have any sandpaper to sand it, but maybe I need to go to Walmart real quick and grab some sandpaper. They say 350 grit, and try to get a wheel or 2 painted. Let me see if I could knock a wheel or 2 off and do that. I'll do 1 or 2 my way and 1 or 2 their way. Seemed like there was some corrosion around that valve stem seal, so I scraped that off. Let me set this wheel down and hit it with a coat of paint. Temperature is 90, humidity is 67%, I think it said. So we're getting closer to ideal humidity. Man, look, I done dripped sweat on this thing. Let me try to wipe this thing off and dry it. The first one we wired wheels. The second one we're just going to spray it. Got the wheels back on, not too bad for 20 footers. 96 degrees and 55% humidity. Hopefully that paint will dry hard and last a year or 2. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.